Okay, so this is in this video we will learn few shorts example. So this is one of the best and most powerful pattern. This is one of the best and most powerful pattern you need to follow. I will show you how. So before that, the few short example, the concept behind is you are feeding ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that this is my pattern. Okay, this is my pattern, and I am giving you this many data. You collect it data, train yourself, and then whenever I will ask some question you will provide me the response. So the my pattern should be like this. So you will be feeding that chat gpt or any other artificial tools. You will train that chat gpt or any other artificial tools. So this is my pattern, this is the outcome I want, so accordingly you will provide me the response. Okay, it's like customer, a representative customer. It might be boss and employee. It might be like two-way communication or three-way communication, it may happen. So like that way, what you can do, you can feed ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, and then it will learn, okay, so this kind of pattern I need to follow, and then further whenever you will ask any kind of questions, it will provide the accurate answer following that pattern. Okay, so now, the few short example. This example demonstrate how to use few short examples to guide the model in generating the desired outcome based on the provide input. So input you need to provide. Suppose one, two, three input you are providing. One, two, three output also you are providing. And from number fourth or number five, you are asking your question. You are providing input only, and then ChatGPT will provide the output. Okay, so like that way, suppose now next 100, next 1000 output you can generate using that simple format only. Okay, so let us take one example. So this is example format. I am not explaining it, you will get it. So example number one is, suppose you want to summarize some article. Okay, so you are now teaching ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that this pattern you need to follow. How? The input one you are providing. Okay, input one you are providing that summarize the following article. AI is transforming the tech industry by enabling new levels of automation and efficiency. This is the input you are providing, and your expectation expected output, your expected output is like this: AI is revolutionizing the tech sector through increased automation and efficiency. So that means the input number one, it is summarizing, and output is providing. Okay, so this all these things, input and output, you have given. Okay, then the example number two also, you are giving the input and output. You are giving input that summarize the following article: climate change is leading to more frequent and severe weather events worldwide. So you are providing input number two also. And output number two also you are providing. Actually you are teaching, you are feeding the chat gpt. This is the pattern, yeah, I am expecting. So climate change is causing more frequent and several global weather events. So again, example number two, input 2 in output 2 you have given. Example number 3, again you are providing the input and output also. Input you are giving, summarize the following article: advancement in healthcare technology are improving patient outcomes and reduce costs. So you have provided the include also, you have provided the input, and then again you have giving the output also. Healthcare technology advancement are enhancing patient outcomes and lowering costs. So that means till third example, you have given all the information. Input you have given, output you have given, input you have given, output you have given. So you are teaching ChatGPT or any other model, any other large language model or any other artificial tools, that this is the way I am feeding you. This is the way the response rate or the response also I want. Okay, so now the main, like that, this way you can feed chat gpt or any other artificial tools. Suppose 100, 1000, 1 lakh information you can feed to chat gpt. And then what you can do is, now you can ask chat gpt, you can provide any kind of input. So input number 4 you need to ask, input number 4 you to now need to ask. Suppose anything you are asking, healthcare technology advancement, uh, related to marketing, related to healthcare, you can ask any question here, and chat gpt will provide the output number 4. And like that way, and now you can ask more questions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 150. 200, 500, 1000, 1 lakh question you can ask, and ChatGPT will follow the pattern and it will provide the response. Okay, I think you got the idea. Now I will not practice it. I will practice one good thing, one example that is my personal favorite. That is the translating faces. Okay, so translating faces means, suppose you are providing the concept you understood, right? The concept is you need to input, you need to provide input, you need to provide output also. Like that way you need to create few examples, like it might be one example, two example, not one example, minimum three example, minimum two examples you can write, and maximum is unlimited. Suppose 100, 1 lakh, 1000, 10,000 you can create, you can provide input. The more detailed information you will provide to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, it will become educated, and you are feeding ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. Like that way I am providing you the information, I am providing you the pattern. So in further later on, whenever I will ask something, you need to follow that pattern and you need to provide the answer. Okay, so in this case, translating faces, what you are doing, input number one you are providing, you are saying translate the following to French. Good morning, how are you? So this language you want to be translated in a French language. Okay, so output also you need to provide. You are providing this bonjour, comment, si, kava. Okay, so this is, I don't know Spanish, French, anyway. So like that way, example number two also. Example number two, you are asking something. Translate the following to Spanish. Thank you for your help. This word you wants to be translated in Spanish language. Again, it is Garcias for to ayuda. Okay, so this is the Spanish language. Okay, now you are feeding like that way. Now you are telling again the third input also you are providing. You are telling ChatGPT translate the following to German. I would like to order a coffee. This word, this sentence you want to be converted into German language. So here it is. Ich möchte Chinen Kaffee Bostelen. Okay, very tough language I'm think. Okay, so now coming to the point, your turn. So what you are doing is, now the example number, you feed it ChatGPT, you have feed it ChatGPT, you have trained ChatGPT like that way. So this is the thing I want, that sentences should be converted into that language. This is the model, this is the pattern, this is the pattern you need to follow, this is the response you need to do. Okay, so what you need to do, so now coming to your turn. So now you will, what you will do, example input 4, you will ask one more question, that is your real problem, that is you want to know from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, and now ChatGPT will provide the detailed information. Okay, so let us take this example and practice. Let me take this example and practice. I will feed ChatGPT. Let's. Okay, now I think I have copied it. Let me paste it to ChatGPT. I think example number one I took. No, I did not. Let me shift enter. Let me paste example number one also. Now I paste. Okay, so the example one, input one. Otherwise what you can do, instead of writing example, what you can do, input one, output, this is the pattern. Okay, then press shift enter. So this is one pattern, and then again you are asking Chat GPT input, then you are asking output, Okay, shift enter. This is one. Example number three is example, remove it, input 3. This is also you have given. Okay, this is also you have given. Okay, now the three inputs and outputs you have given. Okay, and now you are asking your prompt. Now you are asking input. So now translate the following word. Translate translate the word sentence in. Suppose I want to learn Tamil. Okay, and now you are telling, I will go office tomorrow. I will go office tomorrow. This is the input you have given. Okay, so as of now, the three inputs and three outputs you have given for educating purpose to train ChatGPT, to educate ChatGPT, and now finally you are asking ChatGPT to your input. And now what you will do? I will go office tomorrow. So you have given the quotation also, and then shift enter, and now you are expecting output. Okay, so now see the result. Now see the result. See, but it is in Tamil language. It has written. Anyway, so I can't read Tamil, but I want to learn Tamil and Kannada. So that's why I have given this a. So now in Tamil, I will go to office tomorrow. It translated as, so this is the word. And now onwards, what you can say, you have feeded ChatGPT enough. Okay, you have feeded ChatGPT. So now onwards, you are not supposed to explain again all those things. It is already trained, it is already memorized. So now what you will do, let me take. Now what you will do, you will only input, I am busy now, shift enter, output. Now see how it's working. Is it good or bad? I'm pretty sure it will be super helpful for all of us. Super helpful for all. I have trained ChatGPT. I have trained any other artificial intelligence that this is my pattern. This is the thing I am wanting to do. Okay, so now you follow this pattern and response my question. And finally, what I said, that this is my actual problem. This is my actual question. Translate the sentence in Tamil. I want to go office. So this is my actual destination. I want to learn Tamil, or I want to learn Kannada. So what I will do, this is my actual pain, this is my actual solution I want to get from you. So now this is, I have fed it all the information, and then now I am asking this. And again, the second time whenever I am asking any question, I will not feed you anything else. I will not feed you anything. I will not provide any other information. I will simple tell that I am busy now. Input, and then I will provide the sentence only, and the output you will provide. Okay, it has written. See, in Tamil, I am busy now is translated as Tamil. So it is here. So again, the last thing, I would not say even input. Now I will provide only the sentence. I will provide only the sentence. So let's take it. uh, I will eat rice. I will eat rice today, for example. I'm taking an Indian. So now this is the what I want to, be translated in Tamil only. So now, even I did not write here also, input also and output also. Now let's see how it works, whether it provide me the Tamil answer or not. See, it has already trained. It has already taken the inspiration. it has already taken the inspiration that it needs to write in Tamil language only. So and now onwards, whatever I will write, it will translate in Tamil language. Okay. So I think you got the idea. So okay, we will take another example and we will practice it. Okay.